Hello learner, my name is Vigneshwaran and I'm an English language trainer. This video is a part of a 2-minute series titled English through IPL Medium where we learn English along with some cricket action. So let's learn. Yesterday Bangalore lost a game they should have won against Hyderabad, and this loss was because of their muddled approach while batting. The word muddled, we'll begin with the pronunciation of it. It's a simple word with two parts. Muddled. Give that a try. Muddled. Now, the meaning of the word muddled. Muddled means confusing or, like not in the right order. Yesterday, Bangalore, they changed their batting order. They sent a struggling batsman ahead of a confident batsman. They confused things a bit while chasing the score and went on to lose the game. That is a muddled approach, and that is all about the word here. I hope you have learned that today. If you did, go ahead and like this video. Follow for more. Continue watching. Continue learning. Let's learn.